This is the latest product from RaceChip. It's called RaceChip XLR5. So it's a throttle controller, or we can also call it as a pedal box. So what the throttle controller does, right, is actually eliminate the throttle lag when you step on the pedal. So it improves the throttle response. At the same time, this new generation XLR, right, it has some other features that the previous generation doesn't have. So let me show you what is inside the box. Huh? Okay, so we open up. So this is a brain module. So this brain module, new design, is actually slightly different from the previous generation. As you can see, it's slimmer than previous generations. And this is the controller. And right now, this controller is actually wireless, connected to this brain module using Bluetooth compared to last time. And last time is actually cable. So with this wireless, right, it means that you can actually place this in anywhere on your dashboard. And some of the benefit of special features about this XLR5, right, is it comes with anti-theft function. So let's say in your car, you take this controller away from the car, then whoever that try to drive the car, they can't drive without this controller. And this XLR, right, you can also set a limit to your throttle response. You can set it to 30%, so for valet function, or sometimes you want to for fuel saving, or you want to borrow to someone else who that you don't want to let them utilize the full power, you can set the limit to 60%, for example. Yeah. And let's show you how it looks like after we install it in the car. So we have installed the RaceChip XLR into this car, BMW F30. Come, let's look at the after install. So basically the brain module, right, is installed over here. So you can't see it, it's hidden. And this is a controller. So for this controller, you can stick it on anywhere you like. And then if you want to open it from this, just turn it around, then you can open it. And this controller, right, is also act as an anti-theft. So without this controller, then you cannot actually pedal, basically cannot drive the car. So let's try to now I start the engine. So here, and in this controller, you can actually choose between few different driving modes. For example, Sport, Eco, and so Race. And you can also have a anti-theft here and limiter. So for example, you select anti-theft. So this way, then they actually can't drive. So let me go out. There's also another limiter, deactivated. So you can set your limit. How many percent of the limiter you want to set? So if 30% means the maximum power or maximum throttle that you can set one is only 30%, which is suitable for you to pass the car to the valet for valet parking. And if it's 60%, 70% is more for you to actually save petrol. Or you want to pass the car, borrow the car to someone else that you don't want the person to actually fully utilize, fully utilize your car in that way, in that sense, yeah. All right.